Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at long file listings. Basically, file listings using the ls-l command so that we can examine all the provided details. A long file listing will look something like this. Here's the ls-l command, and there's a bunch of files and that are in this directory that we can look at, but I've added this to this video to basically break all that information into the various columns. So for example, the first character on each line, like here, the first character is the file type. You can see we have 1 is a directory, 3 are regular files, and 1 is a symbolic link. Next we have the owner's permissions. So the owner has read, write, execute permission here, etc., so forth. And then the permissions for the group that's associated with the file and for everyone else. Now there's another character you can see in here that's mostly dots, but one is a plus sign. Dot is regular file, I mean just nothing special, but a plus means that there are additional permissions besides those we see in here. So someone was given additional permission using the setfacl command. And we can also see the number of links. We can see the owner and the group associated with the file listed in that middle, those columns right there. We can see the size of the file. There's a bin directory, which is apparently empty, a message file, which is 118 characters. We also see the date and time that the files were last updated and the file name. And so all those details are provided and not too hard to break out if you look at them some characters at a time. Well, that is your Linux tip for the ls-l command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.